Holy shit! Fuck! 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 Oh!
I killed you two. What the hell?
Me! Dad, help!
Get that piece of shit out of my yard.
Dad, help! He's hurt! He's hurt! Uncle Larry! Hold on! Are you alright? Are you okay? Hold on! Are you breathing? You good? Uncle Larry! Fuck! I'm gonna get you out of here! You stand! Come on! Fuck! Fuck! I can breathe. Are you alright? Fuck! Going! Fuck! Okay! Dad! Oh fuck! I got you! Please! Come on, please! Are you with it? Come on! Please! Come on! You okay? You breathing? You good? Are you good, Uncle Larry? Uncle Larry! Fuck! Dad! What do you do? Hold on, he's breathing, Uncle Larry, hey, are you okay? Come on, we need to get you to the hospital, right now, come on. You good? Say something.
I'm alright.
You're good? What the fuck were you thinking? It doesn't matter, come on, you stand, you good?